Yo, what is up, you guys? It's your boy 928 here, back at it again with another reaction video too. That time I got reincarnated as a slime, season 2, this time with episode 9. But before we jump into that, let's just quickly recap episode 8. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff that happened on last episode. We got the reveal of Aryun Grimwald, basically Aaron, as she was disguised as a human, which her real identity is an elf, and she comes from the dynasty of Thalion, which she had told about to Rimuru the story of how to basically revive those who have died, those you love, or your companions, or your those you care about, in order to give a way for him to resurrect Shion, Gobzo, and the rest of those who got massacred from the Knights of Falmouth. And it's basically a story. I'm pretty sure it's about Milim. I'm highly sure about it. As a girl depicted in the story looked like her. How she went on a rampage basically and killed like tens of thousands of people, and then the dragon companion that her father, which is also a dragon, had gave to her basically, came back to life. So yeah, there's, but you have to, in order to do that, you have to become a demon lord. So basically the whole thing of the story, the main point of the story is that Rimuru has to become a demon lord in order to revive Shion, Gobzo, and the rest of those who got killed, which is crazy. I'm so excited to see him become a demon lord. That's gonna be epic, insane. So I can't wait for that. We also saw that he got rid of Mion's fake heart that Clayman had put into her to keep her on hold, like that, the marionette heart or whatever it was. So that's great that he was able to crush that and then gave her an artificial heart that worked the same way, but without, you know, controlling her, being her puppeteer basically, which is great. And then we saw that Miran and Yom are basically gonna get married, which I'm super happy for them. And seeing that Grusis is really jealous is funny. But yeah, and we also seen that Yom is basically become the king of Falmouth, the new king, as Ruru's like, you know what, we need a proper leader after he wipes out all those who are corrupting Falmouth and the knights and everything like that. He needs someone to set them straight, which is gonna be Yom, which is also super dope. That's awesome. I can't wait for that. And yeah, I'm super excited to see what this meeting is about and how they're gonna handle humans from now on. So with all that said, let's just jump right into episode 9, putting everything on the line.
みんな待たせたな。これより会議を行う。議題は今後の人間への対応とシオンたちの蘇生についてだ。ある少女とドラゴンの物語。竜と人との間に生まれ、竜皇女として育つ少女。
Oh, it's the daughter of a human and a dragon. Okay.
ある日、竜である父から自身の分身体とも言える古竜を友として授かる。
I swear that has to be Milim, right?
父より受け継いだその力で国王と十数万人の国民もろとも
Well deserved.
国を滅ぼしてしまう。
I'm not sure about the people, but
少女は魔王へと開花し、それに伴い古竜は奇跡の復活を果たしたのだ。だが死と同時に魂を失った古竜はかつて友であったカオスドラゴンを封印し、これが魔王となった竜皇女の最初の偉業となった。ということで、俺は魔王になろうと思う。
imagine everything that Milim went through, man. Everybody's like, what?
リムル様が魔王にしっごめん。こちらに向かっているというファレムス王国の軍隊1万名以上を養分にして魔王に進化する。
And so it begins.
シオンたちが蘇生する確率は 3% もある。
Hey, it's better than 1%. I was being broadcasted to everybody.
俺は元人間の転生者だ。いわゆる異世界人と呼ばれるものと同じ世界の人間だったんだ。
This is news to them. Imagine that, from being him to a slime that's OP like crazy.
こっちに生まれ変わったんだ。
He must be like, what? What kind of fairy tale story is this? But then he met Valdora. Jeez. From where they were to now where they are. That's crazy. Yeah, teach them all a lesson real quick just to show them. Oh, great. Not gonna lie, that had me a little bit. That had me a little my feelings a little bit. But it's not their fault though. They had their magic cut off too. He's like, wait, everybody taking blame? Oh my gosh, Gopta. Ooh, are they gonna get more powerful now? Hey, let's go, Rigger. Gopta. Damn, that's awesome. That's how the nation should be, to accept everybody, regardless of what race or monster or being you are. Here it is, spill the beans. That's the right move, actually, though. Feel that you're trying to coexist. Really is, but I mean, look what he's created so far, right? Gabiru, man. That's not a bad idea. Wow. Nice. That's what you created. He set the tone of how everybody should be. Oh, the war plan.
進軍中の軍勢は今のペースでいくと3日後にはテンペストに到着すると思う。
3 days to prepare.
数は多いが大した戦力じゃないな。問題ない。
さすがリムル様。
Easy. He's gonna wipe them.
俺が魔王になるのに必要な養分は十分足りる。
I wonder if the more souls, the more power you
人間
gain.
の魂を得ることで真なる魔王へと進化するんだろう。
どういう分担でいきますか。やはり正面は俺の部隊が受け持つ方がいいな。
ゴブリンライダーにも先陣を任せてほしいっす。いや、すまんが連合軍は俺に任せてほしい。心配ない。油断もしないし、手加減もしない。
さようですか。
Even everybody's having their doubts right now.
今回の件、やはり俺が責
So
任
he
を
wants to
取る
show them that
必
he
要
can
が
be a
あると
true
感じている。
leader and take on the
今後一切
the
の
guilt by
問題を
himself.
自分自身に許さぬためにも。というわけで、お前たちには別に任せたいことがある。
は、なんなりと。
I had a feeling.
町の四方に結界を発生させる魔法装置
Oh,
を
the
置かれている。
devices. Okay.
それを守っているのは中隊規模の騎士たちだ。
では、おのおのに選抜部隊を決めませんと。ぜひとも。
Hey, okay.
今回は本気で怒ってるぞ。慌てるな。
Of course, Gopta. Your homeboy got clapped and you need to avenge
ま
him.
ずは東にベニマル、西にハクロウ、リグル、ゴブタ、そしてゲルド。南をガビルとその配下たち。北にはソウエイ、ソーカたち。ベニマル、お前に不安はないが、100名近い騎士を相手に一人で向かうことになる。危なくなった。
100? That's it?
今回は手加減の必要はない。
ならば、なおのこと心配は無いです。
You already know Benimaru is gonna go smoking in.
しかし、わしを西に配置するということは
A rematch between Gopta,
ハク
Hakuro with them.
問題ござりませぬ。わしの油断によりあの時は
And he had less magic.
奴の足し筋はすでに見切っておりますれば。
He's gonna go off.
任せたぞ。
リムル様、俺たちも昔のように弱くはありません。ハクロー殿に守られるだけではなく、戦う力を持っております。
ではこのメンバーで魔法装置を破壊し、弱体化を解消させるんだ。シュナ、はい。この忌々しい結界こそがシオンたちの魂をとどめている可能性が高い。シオンたちの蘇生の確率を少しでも上げるために全力で。
Let's go.
ミュラ、お前の力を貸してほしい。シュナを手伝ってやってくれ。
Yeah, put up another barrier.
せめてもの償いのため、必ずやご期待に応えてみせましょう。よろしく
I
お
love
願
that
いします。
turnaround. I'm glad she's
はい、
on our side.
連合軍は決戦は3日後だと思っているだろう。だが我々は今この瞬間をもって敵の殲滅行動に移る。
Not give them a chance to breathe.
生き返らせるぞ。仲間、友達、家族、いいもんだな。さて、俺も準備するか。
Get ready. Just gonna one tap them.
クレイマンの狙いって人間1万人分の魂だったりしないか。自分が真なる魔王へと進化するために。
So he's not yet a true demon lord.
もしそうだとしたら、クレイマンは俺が手を下すまでもない小物ってことだ。だが、俺は奴をすでに敵とみなしている。
But once he becomes a true demon lord,
今回の剣を
he can take over Clayman.
次は
Get Millen back. Oh, here comes his boys. The day ones.
そうかそうか、よくぞ無事で。
These guys. So
お前たち
Sokka's like, really?
では参る。
Damn, just gone like that.
では皆の
That trident though.
我らドラゴニュートの力を見せつけてやろうぞ。いざ出陣である。
Are they catching the smoke right now? Not even waiting. Benny Marlowe with that determination walk. Ooh, here they are. Oh, you guys are bored now, huh? Hirata just sleeping all casually. Yeah, Pakuro, Geld, Gobta, Rigger. Shuna, Miran, erecting that barrier. And our boy, Rimuru, waiting for the bell to start. He looks mad, like he looks nasty, like he's about to do something.
シオンたちを許しを与える必要はなさそうだな。
Oh snap.
始めるか。
And so it begins. Wow. He's about to go all out, no holding back. Well, there you guys have it. Episode 9 of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, Season 2. Man, oh man, the intensity of this episode, everything just building up. Everybody being sent to the north, east, south, and west, just being prepared to put the hands down on the foes. Like, they're about to get clapped. They're gonna clap these fools so hard, and I'm here for it. And then revealing that all about his whole past life and how everybody's still trusting him, putting their feelings into him and their belief into him, and still seeing him as a leader, even though he wants to redeem himself because he basically feels the blame that he let this happen because he didn't get back from Ingracia sooner. But yeah, I'm glad this is gonna go down and he's gonna become a true demon lord, revive Shion, revive Gobzo, and the rest of those who fell, and just wipe out Falmouth. Yeah, I'm super excited. I wonder if his plans after claiming is to bring back Milim, because, you know, I wonder if she's like a puppet to him still, you know what I mean? Like, is she part of his whole plan? Is he trying to use her to kill like 10,000 souls to become a true demon lord, or what, you know what I mean? So I'm super excited to see what's gonna happen next. But first we have to get with this battle that's coming up. They have 3 days to prepare, but it looks like it's about to happen right now, as they don't know what's about to hit them. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. But with all that said, I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction, liked the episode, and if you did, please make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe down below, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Check the description down below for all my socials. If you want to support me, that would be great. But with all that said, I hope you guys take care, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.